name is David Clark, and I'm a master's student of Miguel Acevedo at the University of Puerto Rico, and I work with Anolis and malaria. My work entails going into the natural rainforest and collecting anoles and trying to determine if or not they're infected, and also how this infection could play important roles in their community and their populations. The infection is Plasmodium alzophilia, which is a type of malaria. There we go. It's all right. It's all right.
They're not being damaged or...
No, so this doesn't cause them any harm. They're actually very, very, very sturdy.
Hello there.
There we
This
go.
one's so green.
Yes, so it's the Evermoney. They have this really beautiful yellow dewlap, and they also have these blue eyes. But they're the only anole besides the giant predatory anole that actually has the green color. The Cuvieri is the other one who has the green color. And so the difference between the Evermoney and the Cuvieri juveniles is that the Cuvieri have this chameleon-like eye, while Evermoney have this eye that's set into their facial plate.
Okay.
And so
he's already changing to a greenish.
So he's becoming less stressed because he knows we're not going to eat him, which is good for him. But he
That's
also
beautiful.
so another way to tell Evermoney, because sometimes they can get really brown. So to tell them from Gunlaki, you can see that he's very flat. So he has no crest, he has no raised skin, and his skin is super smooth. So if you were to feel a Gunlaki, his skin would be a lot more rough. So this is Anolis Gunlaki. He is the main he's the main ground trunk anole here in the forest. You'll see that he has this really, really beautiful gold yellow dewlap. So let's see if I can get it to come out a little bit. He's fighting me. And then one of the other characteristics is the yellow chin, and that's their common name is the yellow chin anole. It's because they always have this yellow coloration. So the most common species to confuse them with is Anolis cristatellus, but you can tell the difference because the cristatellus have a white chin, while the Gunlaki always have the yellow. They also have these really beautiful blue eyes, and you can identify he's a male based on his crest. Yes.
Beautiful.
Yep. And so you can see his golden dewlap. So this is Gunlaki. Stop it. He's very angry, signaling at us. So I'm gonna try to get him without him biting me. And so you can see from the one we caught earlier that had the green, this one has more of the brown coloration. And this could actually be due to we're in a lot sunnier area. Okay, so this is Anolis stratulus, and it is the trunk anole here in the El Yunque forest. So a cool thing about them is they're the only species in the forest to have a, for one, they have this really unique pattern on the bottom of their chin where they have these black dots. And then they also, her dewlap is going to be a little bit small. This is a female. They also have a orange dewlap instead of a yellow one. Another cool thing is that you'll see they have these black dots along their back.
Wow.
And they're actually an evolutionary adaptation to avoid being infected by a parasitic wasp. That's as exit holes for its offspring, so it'll actually not lay its eggs within the stratulus to avoid suboptimal hosts. So it'll actually target Evermoney more than it'll target the stratulus. And so you can see that compared to the other species, the limbs are a lot more proportionate to the body, so the limbs are a lot more stubby, and it's because they spend all their time running up and down the trunks of trees. And so yeah, this is the third most common species.